How to archive and unarchive Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can archive and unarchive Instagram Reels. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So from your home page, first of all, navigate to your profile where you'll have access to all of your Reels. Once you're on your profile, scroll down a bit and head towards your Reel section. From your Reels tab, now select the Reel that you would like to archive. Tap on the Reel. Then tap on the three dot icon at the bottom right corner on the Reel. And here tap on Manage. Again from here, tap on Archive at the bottom of this interface. Then tap on Archive. Now the Reel has been archived. If you go to your profile and if you refresh your page, you cannot find your Reel right here. Now to unarchive your Reels, again head towards your profile, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner and here tap on Archive. Tap on the drop down at the top and here select Post Archive. So under the Post Archive, you will find the Reels that you have archived recently. Tap on the Reel that you want to unarchive, tap on the three dot icon on the Reel and here tap on Show on Profile. Again tap on Show on Profile and with that you have unarchived the Reel. If you go back to your profile, you will find the Reel in your profile now. Refresh your profile and as you can see, the Reel has already been unarchived. So that's the way to archive and unarchive Reels on Instagram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.